Hello, in this tutorial, we're going to discuss something pretty simple. That's it. What's the best Xfinity internet plan that you can use for gaming? Let me walk you right into it. Now, Xfinity actually allows you to shop internet, right? So different kind, I'm just going to show you quickly. So it allows you to shop different kind of internet speed at great prices. So once you head over here using this URL xfinity.com/hub/internet/internet hyphen speed hyphen for gaming, you don't have to go through all this process. Just head over to xfinity.com and then head over to the Xfinity internet section and you'll be able to shop internet deals at great prices. But that's not really what we're here for. Now we're here to discuss something simple, which is what's the best internet plan for your gaming. Now, internet plan is more or less like internet speed. So we're using internet speed, in the place of internet plan. They're just pretty much the same thing. Now, essentially, a good internet speed for gaming comes down to what kind of gaming you're doing. Now, if you're into competitive gaming, that is, if you play Overwatch, Fortnite, or the like, you'll likely want both high download and upload speed to prevent lag. Or like I said before, latency, the more technical term. That's it. An internet speed of above 300 Mbps. Yes, above 300 Mbps is usually ideal for gaming. That's it. Above 300 Mbps, usually ideal for gaming, and especially multiplayer or competitive gaming. Anything lower than that, that's anything lower than 300 Mbps, falls into the danger lag zone. It screams lag zone, lag zone, lag zone. Because if you actually work with something or internet speed that is lower than 300, you're not going to have the great or the beautiful immersive experience that you can get in your gaming. That's it. So anything lower falls into the danger lag zone, and there's nothing worse than lagging just when you're about to pull off a sick kill shot and you get the PW, the womp womp. I don't really know how to pronounce all of this, but then it just says that for you to avoid that lag zone, or for you to avoid that lagging, for you to avoid that glitch, for you to avoid that thing that actually makes your gaming experience frustrating, then don't go lower than 300 Mbps. Don't. You may experience this with the internet speed you get from 5G home internet. Now, internet speed, latency, and ping rate can all affect your gaming performance, and they are essential when it comes to having the best internet for gaming. Now, Xfinity can help you find the ideal broadband internet speed for gaming and reduce your latency to help take your gaming to the next level. Now, you can also test your internet speed with the Xfinity internet speed test, and the Xfinity 10G looks to take internet gaming to new heights. So you can also try the Xfinity 10G. In case you're sticking with the 5G, just use the Xfinity 10G and you'll be good to go. Please remember, nothing less than 300 Mbps. If not, you're in the lag zone, which is pretty much a danger zone. So that's it. I hope this actually answers your question. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.